I have used monk mode multiple times before to get clarity and focus on different regions of my life, and from my personal experience I can say that monk mode is the primary tool which you can use to take your life to next level and achieve some of the wildest goals. So what is monk mode? Monk mode is a period of isolation and total commitment. It is a period of time in which you tell yourself to completely lock in, remove all distractions, and focus on your specifically dedicated goal. Now, here I can only talk about my monk mode. So, I have been doing monk mode back since 2023, which consists of 60 minutes of workout, 15 minutes of meditation, 30 minutes of reading any book, and 10 to 15 minutes of journaling at the end of every single day. But for me, each monk mode I do is different as it changes from season to season of my life depending on what is my specific goal of that season or of that part of the year. In present also I am on a monk mode in which my main focus is on business and entrepreneurship, and in this monk mode I had mainly did monk mode divided by two parts. In part 1, you set yourself or you give yourself some non negotiable steps which you cannot break, and some other variables which you have to do daily. Currently, in my non negotiable list, it is journaling and reading because it is a it is a spot where I do get stuck a little bit. So that is why I have put this in my non negotiable, and the most important point which is to have a bulletproof mindset. And thirdly is to not waste a single minute. Now, in this step, I try to make most of my time in whole day. Even if I am free, I would like to generate some idea in my mind and do note it down, as I do carry a diary every time. So these are some non-negotiables which is in my current monk mode, and in other variables there are 60 minutes of workout or any type of physical activity in which I had to get outside of my home and do some type of sweating. Secondly, there is 15 to 20 minutes of minimum 15 to 20 minutes of meditation, and if I do get a little bit of time, I do extend it from 30 to 45 minutes. And thirdly, there is reading for 50 minutes. Back in 2023, it was for 30 minutes, but currently I have understood the importance of reading as it can save you from years of sorrows. So, 50 minutes of reading and 10 to 15 minutes of journaling at the end of the day. And diet is also an important part in my monk mode. As a vegetarian, I try to stick to a fixed vegetarian diet where my breakfast and dinner is mainly fixed. My lunch may vary sometimes, but that is also similarly fixed. Like, for who monk mode is for? Monk mode is basically for those who feel stuck in their current situation and want to achieve some of the wildest goal or get to their desired outcome. It is for those who are sick of saying that I will do it tomorrow, or I will start from upcoming Monday, or I will give it a fresh start from the first day of upcoming month. Listen, you have the movement now. You can start from today itself, or just plan it and start it from tomorrow. Currently, you must be seeing this video at night, so get up, move to your table, take a pen and paper, List all the non-negotiable and some other variables. It can be two or three. Write it on a piece of paper, stick on your mirror, and you are ready to go. Now, how you can start your monk mode? The easiest way, which I had discovered to start and stick to a monk mode, is set your end goal for a second. Now, break it down into actionable steps or the steps which you had to take on a daily basis to achieve your set goals. Now, add these daily actionable goals into your daily normal life, and soon you will be able to see yourself reaching near to your set goals or your set outcome. Now, if you are someone who faces inconsistency, I have a small trick. Record your everyday as a challenge and post it on Instagram and YouTube, like exactly how I had done in the past, and currently also I am doing it the same as in form of a 60-day of monk mode. Trust me, this is a very helpful way to stay consistent. When to go into monk mode? Now here I can only talk about my monk mode. I mostly go into monk mode when I don't have much work or many projects in the upcoming couple of months. Now these months occur somewhere between November till March, and also somewhere between May to July. Now I probably know that I have very less external distractions in these two time frame, so I make sure to make most out of it. How long should it last? Being asked many times, I always answer that it needs to be 21 to 30 days. Anything less than this is just a waste of time, as you won't see any significant results. Now, some of you, even 7 days of working out or meditation is not possible. One thing which I can say here is, the more days you do, the easier it gets. Listen again. The more days you do, the easier it gets. If you are someone who is trying monk mode for the first time, do it for 21 days and then take a week off, like 7 days. And then again try it. Now try it for 30 days. And gradually increase the time of your monk mode and decrease the time of your rest days. Now here is an advice from my side. As before also I had said, monk mode is a tool. It is not a lifestyle. It is not a lifestyle to live it for months and years. Listen, we are human beings. We need socialization. We need to interact with new peoples, new personalities. So, if you are seeking to start monk mode, or if you want to change, don't go, don't try more than 90 days or 100 days. It 90 or 100 days can be the maximum amount, as you will be seeing many significant results in this short time frame also. So just go into 90 to 100 days of monk mode, then take a couple of weeks off, and again get back to 90 to 100 days. Now I had mentioned here two times, which is to do this type of monk mode two times in a year. I am going to do these types of long form of monk mode. Before I had did monk mode for 30 days, 45 days, and now currently I am doing it for 60 days, and in the upcoming time I am thinking to do it for 100 days. So yeah, build your social life also. Just work or focus on your goals for 90 to 100 days. Take a couple of week off, Again, get back to 90 to 100 days and then enjoy. Socialize with people, try new things, visit new places. As 100 and 100, 200 days, it would take around 6 months, and then you are left with 6 months also. In these 6 months, you can also try new ideas, travel different parts of the world, or spend some time with your family. Most difficult part of monk mode: managing relationship with your family, friends, and your loved ones can be a difficult part in monk mode. I am saying this especially in terms of India, as in India, monk mode has its presence only on social media, only on social media platforms. So here you have to be a hard nut to crack, because people around you will be saying things like, "What the hell are you doing? You are becoming a weirdo," and many much more. Even your friends or family member will tell you to drop this plan and try to be a normal guy again. But here you have to remember your set goals and how much committed you are to your goal. To avoid things like this, you can say to the people that it is a period of total commitment and it will only for couple of days or a couple of weeks with no distraction. You can also do it by putting an Instagram story or a WhatsApp status. True results of monk mode. Now here I can only talk specifically about my results. From the age of 17, I had been doing monk mode multiple times, and I did got to see specific results in fitness and different regions of my life. I was also able to improve relationship with my parents, family and friends. And with my personal experience, I can say that if you are someone who wants to start their monk mode, try it for 21 days, try it for 30 days, and the results will say it all. With this, I am here whenever you need any help. And at the end, keep hustling, keep exploring.